In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel data into Python. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along smoothly. First, open your terminal or command prompt. On Windows, you can use command prompt or PowerShell. On macOS or Linux, open the terminal app. This is where we'll install the tools we need. If you're not sure everything is set up, you can check that Python and pip are available by running a quick version check, but as long as your system has Python, we're good to go. Next, in that terminal, install the required packages by running pip install pandas openpyxl. Pandas is the go-to library for working with tabular data in Python, and openpyxl is the engine that lets pandas read modern Excel files with the xlsx extension. If your system uses Python 3, or if pip isn't recognized, try python mpip install pandas openpyxl or python 3 mpip install pandas openpyxl. Let the installer finish. You should see messages indicating both packages were successfully installed. If you're in a corporate environment or behind a firewall, make sure you have internet access and the necessary permissions to install packages. Now let's load your Excel file into Python. You can start a Python session by typing Python or Python 3 in the terminal, or open your favorite editor or a Jupyter notebook. In your Python environment, import pandas by typing import pandas as PD. Then use the read Excel function to load your file. For example, df equals pd read Excel path to your file.xlsx. Replace the path with the actual location of your Excel file. If the file is in the same folder as your script, you can just use the file name. If you're on Windows and using backslashes in the path, either double the backslashes or use a raw string like rc plus path/to plus your file.xlsx to avoid path errors. If your Excel workbook has multiple sheets, you can specify which one to read with the sheet name argument, like pd.read Excel your file.xlsx, sheet name sheet 1. By default, Pandas reads the first sheet. Pandas will automatically interpret the first non-empty row as the header, which usually matches your column names in Excel. Once the data is loaded into the data frame named df, you can quickly preview it with df-head to see the first few rows and confirm everything looks correct. From there, your data is ready for analysis, filtering, and visualization. That's it. You opened your terminal, installed pandas and openpyxl, and used Red Excel to bring your spreadsheet into Python. Save your work, and you're ready to build on this foundation in your next analysis.